Hello, we're going to start today doing one of the first two videos on setting a gypsy stone, a cubic zirconia in a gypsy setting, I should say, or otherwise known as a flush setting. I have pre-drilled this originally prior to this video, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm getting out my handpiece, which is a Fordham micromotor, and I'm going to use my carbide undercutting burr and just go around to show you how I do my cutting. 1/3 increments around the hole. I don't move my handpiece. I move the ring. Therefore, the position of the burr in relationship to the metal is always the same. Now, you're going to be wondering, why have I painted with a magic marker or felt marker the top of the ring? Well, first is that I don't want to have too much bright light from the fluorescent light blinding my eyes. But the main concern and the main reason is that when I'm going to start hammering it, I'm going to see exactly where the hammer is going to be hitting. Why? It's because when I'm hitting it on the metal, part of that magic marker painting is going to be coming off. Turning it around to the other side, lightly. I'm not too sure if you can see, but I've partly removed some metal and paint from the edge of the metal. In relationship to this is how it's going to be done. Right on the edge, not getting close to the stone. And there's the word hammer, and that's where I'm going to be hitting, just where those two arrows are. That is a contact spot, right before the metal goes and touches the stone. If you hit the stone, goodbye stone, and it's not a pleasant thing to hear, is when the stone's cracking. What I'm going to do now is take the ring out of the clamp, put it onto my ring-mandrel. I'm going to start now, starting to hit the stone, hitting the metal, I should say. Go to the other corner. Then the 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. You'll notice that the hammer is only doing two things, up and down, up and down. It's the ring that's doing the moving. Lightly. I'm just going to use my finger to hold it in place. Checking to see the stone's tight yet. I might have over-drilled it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm going all the way around the setting. And you can see now here's where the metal is flattened out a bit. I'm just going to do it once or twice more, then I'll go to the next video. I'm cleaning. And here you can see a flattening of the metal from the hammering.